wanna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
Whoa. Chirpley is going to make us some great cash. This bad boy is not stopping anytime soon. This bad boy is ready to move to the moon to make us amazing profit. Today, I want us to just look at some price predictions for Chirpley target where we can expect price to move. Looking at price action, looking at the chart where we can expect price to move. And yeah, let's just see about that. And also, we're gonna look at Metisdao to see what is going on with the platform. I can see Metisdao is on fire. This bad boy is not stopping also. So we're gonna just analyze all these coins today and see how we can, make some awesome profit with it. So that's it. You are welcome back again. Yeah, always creating content for you guys to be cap wise, make money. So if this sort of content interests you, you know what to do, guys. Just go and smash the subscribe button right now. Like this content. Yeah, just do that. Okay, we're gonna also look at Bitcoin for sure and to see what Bitcoin is doing, and yeah, to see like what we can expect with Chirpley, Bitcoin, Metisdao, all this good stuff going on in the market. So let's just dive right away to do some tea, yeah, with Metisdao. Okay, I'm gonna try to refresh this page. So I want to get let me refresh this page so I can get. I think most of the indicators that I'm going to be using here are not actually. Yeah. Let me see if I can pull in. Okay, let's see if I can pull in Metisdao here. First of all, let's look at Chirpley before we can go to Metisdao. This is Chirpley, but this is Chirpley on Mexi Global. I want to see Chirpley on Bybit because that's where I'm holding Chirpley, and also I've done some. Okay, yeah. as as it is, guys, let's just go to higher time frame. Let's see. I'm gonna show you guys some areas where I think have some charts here that I already did some analysis already on Chirpley. Let me see if say I can get CHRP here on this chart. Maybe I can get that to see what I have been doing with the coins. Okay, yeah, you can see I already marked some zones here, area of interest that I think is gonna be respected or is already respected. And we're gonna see what we can do right now, what to expect. But let's just look at the bigger picture first to see where is Chirpley right now. Let's begin with the daily time frame so we can see exactly where Chirpley is and where we can expect Chirpley to go to. Now, if you follow my videos carefully, if you're part of my community, then you are gonna know that I mentioned in most of my videos that I talk about Chirpley that so far as Chirpley is not able to break this zone, and make lower lows, this previous higher low, if Chirpley is not able to break it, then we are still in an uptrend on the 1 hour on the daily time frame. And you can see Chirpley has attempted multiple times to do that. Before I did that, I marked this zone here. But you can see Chirpley has tried multiple times to move and trade below, the alpha trend. But each time price tried to do that, price always end up closing above the alpha trend. And I've talked much about the alpha trend here on this platform and how to use it with my indicator and also how to use it with other indicators like the Trendillo that I'm gonna see if I can bring here. And the way you use this is pretty simple, guys. It's pretty simple. I'm just gonna take out this indicator. I think I need the Trendillo here instead. Let me try to see if I can bring Trendillo. Yeah. But what I want you guys to understand here is simple. I want you guys to actually see that Chirpley respects price action, and Chirpley is one of those coins that if say you really pay attention on my platform, you are gonna make lots of gains with Chirpley. So the alpha trend is this indicator that prints the buy and sell signal, and it's a trending indicator. It's an indicator that you use mostly in an uptrend market, like when the market is trending. And when there's an uptrend, you want to see the alpha trend, like price close always above the alpha trend. Like in this case, this was a measure retracement with price, but price was still below or above this moving average, as the 50-day moving average. But in this case, price break below the 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So price was below those moving averages, right? But price was above this indicator here, this my indicator, the Beton indicator. The name of this indicator is the Beton strategy. That's the name I've given this indicator. So far as price was above this indicator and price also was above the alpha trend, and the alpha trend haven't printed any sell yet on the daily time frame, then I will still look at this as an uptrend, right? On looking at the higher time frame. And also because price made a huge move to the upside, let me try to see if I can do something here like that. Okay, let me take out this indicator here first. So I can bring in Trendillo. Trendillo is one of my indicator that I use here. This is Trendillo. It's free, guys. Just go and search for Trendillo open source. And yeah, here we go. I have Trendillo here now. I want to take it up. So you can see, guys, price was sitting around this zone and rejecting around that zone, and the Trendillo printed this signal here that okay, we are in the oversold area, right? So when price is around the oversold area and price is respecting like trading above that the alpha trend, and you can see on the Trendillo, it shows that okay, we are about to make an upward movement, then you are gonna understand that we are still in an uptrend, Right. You can apply this with any other coin out there. And this was my first target looking at where price was. And this is my second target. For those of you who are part of my VIP group, this is a zone you want to take out profit. You can mark the zone first. It's 0.0. That's the high, the previous high. That's 0.09579. You can place a take profit there. Then you're gonna buy back. If the price break above that zone, you're gonna buy back. But I think if price get to that zone, price is gonna do what price always do best, right? Come back to retest this zone, yeah, this previous where price is right now. Because if price always break, if price break, price always come back to retest that zone. All right, I've talked about this often, like a lot of time on my channel, especially when I do analysis with Bitcoin. Now, if we go to the lower time frame, like the 4 hours, we can see what price is doing. And from what I can see here, I think the area where price can, like, if say we must, like, price must retrace back, right? Let's just assume the worst case scenario where price can retrace back. Let's say something happened and price have to retrace back. So what you do is you take this Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom on the 4 hours time frame and to the top. So this is gonna give you the range where we can expect pullback, right? And this range is gonna be a range that you can also buy. Now the worst case scenario is gonna be around this. Let's see, that's 0.006690 as the worst case scenario. Why? Because this was a previous resistance that is gonna become support. It's normal, like, but if say the trend is so strong, right? Like we have a strong trend, then price is gonna retrace back to 0.382 zone. This area here, that's where price is gonna retrace to, and I think that's the area where we're gonna see price retrace to, and from there we can see price bounce back and go up, or maybe price can just keep going up. With Chirpley, we can see Chirpley move like 30%, like 65%. This coin, when it starts moving, there's no stop. We need. But when I look at the trendy low indicator, it shows that we have gone so far when it comes to like the oversold area, right? So the overbought area, this zone above. And when price is around that zone, we should start expecting some minor retracement, and yeah, we can expect that, but it wouldn't be like drastically because we're looking at the higher time frame on this chart, like the 4 hours time frame, right? But if say you really want to buy this coin, like you have to buy it, right? Then you buy it when price hits this moving average in the middle, the red line in the middle, or maybe the blue line above, and which is acting as resistance. Sorry, support at this point in time. But before it was resistance, but now it's acting as support. So if price gets there, you want to buy. Like let's say you miss this pump, right? You want to buy. Like there's no need for you to buy right now. You're gonna buy only when you see retracement, and where you want to buy this coin is gonna be, well, I just mentioned it, around 0.007276, or the worst case scenario is at the golden pocket, which is around 0.06506. So look at these zones as zones where you can buy, or if say you don't know how to draw the Fibonacci retracement tool, this my indicator. Well, you don't yet have it. Okay, well, but yeah, see, because you don't have it, so I'm gonna recommend you focus on these zones, like the 0.0. Let me call it again. If you have a pen and paper, you can write these zones down, and you can already place a buy order there. All right, that's 0.06. Let's see. Let me wait, guys. 0.06740, or let's see, zero. Let's see, zero. Oh no, it's my mouse is moving. Okay, 0.07313. So that's the area where you can buy the retracement. But with this coin, this coin is always moving, you know, um, in a difficult, like, is really, I don't know what's going on here. My Okay, I think I am good not to go. So sorry guys, I had some issues here. I think my Siri is trying to take over my computer. Siri, I'm using Apple, so Siri is trying to take over my computer. I don't know why. Yeah, okay, so let me. I think maybe I'm freezing. Let me. Okay. Guys, I don't know if so you can hear me. I think maybe I'm freezing. Let me see if I can stop one of my programs running, so I can get. I don't know. Let me see if I can stop one of my programs running behind the scenes, so I can get. I think I'm freezing and I'm lagging. Um, guys, bear with me. I think I've closed one of those programs. If you can get me well, please comment that you can get me well. If you can get me well, let me just go to my solo screen. Can you get me well? Am I lagging? I think I'm lagging. Can you get me well? Am I okay? I think my stream is lagging somehow, but I managed to close this in the Siri was trying to take over my computer. I'm gonna check my settings somehow. I don't know why Siri wanted to take over my computer. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry for that. But let's dive into the TA and let's keep doing. Let me know if you can hear me well. Can you hear me well? Can you hear me well? Let me know if you can hear me well. But let's just dive right away to the TA. So yeah. All right. So I'm trying to give you guys areas where you can buy, you can take out, like you can get into this coin, buy Chirpley. We're gonna talk about Metisdao as well, but it's very important you understand, how to get into any project. If you don't understand how to get into any project, you're gonna find difficulties to catch, like to buy at the right price or at the proper price. So if say you are able to like snipe the entry, it's gonna be good for you. But let's just go to the lower time frame and see what we can do on the lower time frame as well. Now, looking at the lower time frame, right, you can see clearly that this moving average, Debeton moving average strategy, is making its way to the upside. And I think that the worst case scenario for price, if say price have to move drastically, is at the area I mentioned. That's 0.06715 or 0.0. Let me just mark the zone, guys, because I think if I'm talking like this, maybe you might not. Let me just mark the zone properly so you can see it yourself if you have to get into this coin again, or maybe you are already in Chirpley and you want to take advantage of the dip and buy more. And I'm gonna tell you guys a scenario where you're gonna stop buying the coin or maybe take out profit immediately from Chirpley. So this is the area where if say the worst case scenario, you're gonna buy, but you can start already buying here. If say you see price get to this zone here, this area here, if price get to this zone here, you can buy, and if say price get to this zone also, you can buy more. So these are the zones where we can buy Chirpley if say we see some major pullback from where it is. But as price is right now, so far as we are above the 20-day moving average and above the alpha trend. The alpha trend is this indicator that you can see is pointing upward. So far as price is above that moving average on the 50 minutes time frame, you are gonna still be in this trade or holding Chirpley. Most of you can already take out profit right now if say you want, like if say you are trading this coin short term, right? And if say we're gonna see, like if the price have to keep moving like upward. Now let's look at the target. This is the target I mentioned earlier when the stream started. This is a target for me when it comes to Chirpley. Like this can happen. Let's just see what will happen here. Price can do this. Price can do this, guys. Let's just watch this. Price can do this, come back here. Then for move back and form higher highs. And if we're gonna look at the bigger picture, like on the 5-day time frame, we can see that the upside for Chirpley is bogus. Wow. This coin can make you so much money. I've already made so much gains with Chirpley because I understand how the coin move. I've been watching this bad boy for like 2 years now. Not let me not say 2 years, almost 2 years right now, because it's not that new project, right? We can see if say price have to go back to where price was the all-time high for this coin. Do you know how many percent you can make instantly? That's 4x. And looking at this coin, I think we can see more upside for this coin, and we can see because like the coin is so unique, guys. It's so unique project that I think we haven't seen the bull market yet. Like we are not like in the deep of the bull market, and this coin is moving in. Like look at the trend. Let's look at the trend, guys. Look at the trend after the dip. Look at the trend. This coin is in an uptrend, clearly in an uptrend. So my advice to you guys is, if you are buying Chirpley, right? If Chirpley is your coin, if Chirpley is your main project, right? Like you want to get Chirpley regardless, like you want to keep buying Chirpley every now and then this is what you must do. You buy Chirpley on the lower time on the lower time frame, or on the 4 hours time frame. Whenever you see Chirpley retest back to the movie to the 200-day moving average, you buy. This red line in the middle represent the 200-day moving average. You can do this, guys, on your own. You can have this on the indicator on your own. How you can get it? You just go to indicators and you get the 200-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 20-day moving average. But in my case, I have more. The green, the green and the blue line, it represents, to me, it represents support and resistance, for this with my indicator. So you won't have this. I know how I use this tool when it comes to like getting into a coin or getting out of the coin. Now we have talked much already about about Chirpley. Let me go to the comment section to see what you guys are saying there. I can see many of you watching. Thanks for watching. I can see Albin Babik. I can see Inspirational Land. I can see V for Vendetta, Valentin. I can see Charles. I can see partnership be huge. With the Ed Bridge being launched tomorrow, just buy and hold. Guys, actually, I don't know what is going on. Like, trust me, I don't know what is going on right now. The sound is okay. Okay, yes, it's starting off something that's yeah. Actually, I don't know what's going on. Thanks that you guys are telling me what is going on right now. I think maybe the price is pumping because of what you just mentioned. But we have to look at the TA as well to tell us where we can expect some cool off. Right, this coin is a good coin, regardless. The event which is coming, the bridge or stuff. The technology itself, what they're trying to do, is a good project, no doubt. I love it. I love the project, but I also want you guys to understand that we are here to make money. We're not here to fall in love with a project and buy it in darkness. Because you love a project, just buy it and expect to hold. No. If you want to make the most of the project, if this project is a 100x project, then you can ride on taking out profit and taking advantage of the dips, buying, accumulate more, buying, selling, take out profit, buy, sell, buy, sell. So that's where I come in to help you guys in this case. I'm not that guy who have so much money somewhere, sitting and waiting to buy this coin. I make money from the market, and when I make money, I try to recycle it, try to buy back the dip, and also that's how I make money. That's how I survive. So I try to teach the same way for you guys to do the same, like to practice the same. You trade. You can, maybe you have just $100 or $500 or $1,000. You want to compound it more, and build wealth. Well, you cannot just go and dump it in a coin and expect it to pump to moon and you become rich. No, you have to learn how to take advantage of price actions. You take advantage of different levels, market structure. That's what I'm teaching here. That's what I'm doing here. I want you guys to be able to look at the market in a different way. Look at the market as someone or as people who want to make money, not people who want to fall in love with any coin out there. Now, looking at a coin here that I also love so much, which is Metisdao. Guys, you can see I've done so much about, like, I've done tier on this coin multiple times, and the same scenario applies here. I drew this, this support zone here, and I marked it. I said, so far as not Chirpley, Metisdao is above or is in this range, we are good to go. There's no need to panic. When you go to the lower time frame, there's so much noise going on. You can see, let me just go back. You see, when you go to the lower time frame, there's so much noise, like so much going on lower time frame that you cannot really see like the bigger picture. But when you go on higher time frame, you can eliminate all the noise and look at the structure. And you're gonna DCA, when you see price get to that zone, when price get there, bounce, go up, bounce, come down. So price is ranging, and when price is ranging around the alpha trend, then we don't buy. We just watch and see what price we do. And when price break below, and price is not able to bounce back from this moving average, which is going up like this, the beton strategy, you wouldn't be able to sell it. Right, you're still gonna be on in an uptrend. But if price break and close below this moving average, like if price does this, break below, then come back and it's not able to break above, that's when you get out. You get out and you bank most of the profit. You wait for price to break above that moving average again, retest it, and you buy. Price always does that, guys. Listen. Look. Let me come closer to you guys. Let me come closer. I've been staring at the chart for so long. I've been looking at the chart for years now. And one of the things I've come to understand is price action is the way price moves. Price moves in a way that if say you are not careful, if you don't understand properly, you are gonna lose a lot of money, or you are gonna be buying at the wrong time. So, like, looking at this scenario, you can see that, like, if we back test, not this one. Let's look at Bitcoin. I'm gonna show you guys something when it comes to Bitcoin. Now, looking at Bitcoin on this like based on this strategy, Bitcoin is not healthy. There's no need I'm gonna be in Bitcoin in terms of trading Bitcoin. It's not as if I'm gonna sell my Bitcoin. No. Now I'm so cautious when it comes to other altcoins, right? Because Bitcoin is sitting below the 200 moving average on the 4 hours time frame. And if I look at the daily time frame, Bitcoin is above. So now the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame. Sorry, the daily time frame and the 4 hours time frame. What I'm gonna do right now. Now I drew this zone here. This zone, you can see, so far as Bitcoin is above $40,000, guys, we are in an uptrend with altcoins. So far as Bitcoin is is below the 40,000 price point, and Bitcoin go and break the alpha trend. Sorry, I mean, if the alpha trend prints a sell signal, yeah, right now we have a buy signal, yeah. But if it prints a sell signal, yeah, and this moving average, this one, yeah, move above this one, move above. And price start trading below, and price is not able to break this on the daily time frame. That's when I'm like, oh boy, we are going down. So if you understand how to play with all this, to look at price, and you are ready to take action, like, guys, you don't have to, focus only on one coin. I have so many coins, so many that I focus on, and the idea of these coins is to make me more Bitcoin. When I say that Bitcoin is not in any strength, I look for altcoins that are in strength. Now let's go back to Chirpley. Let's see, like, if we go to this time frame. Now this time frame tells us that this bad boy haven't yet done moving to the upside. He's still attempting to move to the upside because it might be sell the news or buy the Gomo and sell the news. So I don't know what is going on, but I don't care about that. What I do care is what investors are doing. And if I look at what investors are doing, I'm able to know what I can do to either counter like what they plan to do, short term or long term. Right. So I said, let me come here and analyze Chirpley for you guys. I know you guys love it so much. And I can see from your comments, Chirpley will be a respected business, be massive, so hodl. Oh, yeah. I mean, again, you have to listen to what I'm saying. I know Chirpley has a good feature. That's why I'm holding Chirpley. But I'm not going to hold Chirpley as if I'm holding Bitcoin, right? Because I can see that Chirpley can make me a lot of money, and I focus on swing trading Chirpley. That is on the higher time frame. So if I'm seeing that price is breaking structure and making higher highs, I'm in the trend, right? But if I see a huge pump like this, like price pump up like that, I know that based on price action, there's imbalance here. There's a lot of imbalance here. Price have to somehow at one point come to recover all this imbalance before price move to the upside at one point in time. So knowing all this, I'm gonna be caution when price get to different support or resistance zones. You know, and if price get to those zones, I am gonna be ready to either take out profit while I wait for retracement or I want to buy, but I never sell all of my Chirpley. I have an amount of Chirpley that I want to ride on with it until Bitcoin gets to the next all-time high, and I have also cash that I am recycling to make more Chirpley. So I'm minting more Chirpley, and the reason why I'm minting more Chirpley is because I know that Chirpley will outperform Bitcoin. And because Chirpley will outperform Bitcoin, when that happens, it will make me more Bitcoin. And I can protect it when the market start going downward or like the other way around. So I don't know if say you guys understand how I go about doing this. And I think to an extent I've come to the end of this video. If you guys have any other coin or any other project you want me to look at, then feel free to comment below and I'm gonna check it out right now for you guys. But let's just quickly look at Metisdao and see the price prediction for Metisdao before we go. If we go to the 5 days time frame for Metisdao, I think this coin is about to go to, well, I already mentioned it that we're gonna see this coin go to 130 before it can cool off somehow. But I think it's gonna go to make all-time high, and we can see this coin to the next bull market goes to about $500 or $1,000 per this coin, right? And I have also other ways you can go about making money from. Let me just show you guys quickly. Like if say you miss out Metisdao and you want to take advantage of the coins in the ecosystem, what you do is go to Coinmarketcap or CoinGecko. You're gonna research on Metisdao. Just go and search Metis, and Metis is gonna appear. Metisdao, and you're gonna go below, look at the ecosystem, go down, look at the tax. From the tax, you're gonna see, okay, show all. When you show all, you're gonna see all the like the platform is Metisdao, the ecosystem. You're gonna click on that to go to the ecosystem. Now you're gonna see all the projects that are around that are like listed or on the Metisdao chain. Right? You can now look at the top, like you can see that these coins they around the 2000 like price level, rank level that you can really make profit with. So because this chain is going to be among the top 100 coin or 50 coins out there in the crypto space, we're going to see more project being launched on this chain, and you can see they already have some good project on the chain. But now the problem I have with most of this project is that I'm not able to buy it. Most of it, like you can see, NetSwap is on this coin on this chain, but I'm not able to know where to buy NetSwap. You can see, of course, I can buy it I can buy it from Get.io. Well, I'm not using Get.io, but I think I have to get into Get.io. I don't like the exchange. If I want to get this coin early, I think I can get it, or maybe I can buy it from for MetaMask, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy it on MetaMask. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy this coin on MetaMask because like if I look at let me show you guys what I'm trying to talk about. Yeah. If I go to the all time, you can see this coin has been moving alongside Metisdao, and it has done so great. This net swap, right? And if we look at also other coins in this ecosystem, we can see that this coin Tethys, is up as well. And if we go to like check on what they are doing, you can read more about it, and you can also see where you can buy the coin, right? So you can take advantage from coins on their exchange, or not like on their exchange, but on their ecosystem. The problem I have is that most of these coins you cannot find it on Mexi Global, and so on and so forth. But you can look at coin that you can find in those areas, right? But I'm just trying to tell you guys that these are the areas where all coins that, or how you can make more profit from the ecosystem, right? Yeah. Having said that, guys, I think this is it, and hopefully you guys got some value today from this, live show. If you did get some value, do like. Though that's the least you can do to support this platform to help this content reach out to more people. If you got some value, then feel free to like, and if you haven't yet subscribed, to subscribe. And see you the next time I'm live, or the next time I upload a new video. Bye bye, guys. See you.